ke monyakile too much mosadi lona ke sokotse ke monyaka a ka mo topa Backhead a ka mo topa ene mosadi loko wa ka mo topa ke mo kerile ke sokola o nkerile o mphuthile mosadi wa batho o nreketse mo difounu a nrekela dikoloi a nrekela diaparo tsa go tura lena ka mo le senyetsa dilo ka mo he tlhala Backhead ke motlhale solomang na ke se motlhale mosadi loko wa ka go tswela until go tsofala na le yena until a tsofala ambra ambuditse gore monnaka ke a shita ambra buditse matswala ka mapaputla re mama nna ke a shita a ba itse a ba botsa selo nna le business le tsa le gone le bitso la ka guys le gone le nna.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Utsekeleke sending a message kubo bonke laba labahlala bathi akalahle Blackhead akahlukane na Blackhead uthi qala nje ukuthi niphume kuye phuma nje kuye uyamthanda Blackhead yena Blackhead mfati wakhe watitholela yena anganalutho angananto Blackhead wamsita wamgeza wamthengela ngisho nefoni lensha so nina yalo business akaphume Blackhead akahlukane na Blackhead angamana aphume kini njengamana aphume kini there's no way yena angahlukana na Blackhead ucela nje ukuthi nimdzilike o mdzilikeni akafuni nje kuhlukana na Blackhead phumani kuye wayiloko nimtshela ukuthi ahlukane na Blackhead. That the way utsekeleka mdefender ngakhona Blackhead you'd say ukuthi Blackhead bekangana boyfriend not so long ago. I think nayalo na boyfriend and utsekeleke he knows shame, but for some reason watifela nga Blackhead and uyasho nje ukuthi ngamana dzilike nina ngamana phume kini ngamana ningasambhuki ukuthi nimtshele ukuthi ahlukane na Blackhead cause there is no way uthi nje ngiyamthanda Blackhead mfati wami yikelani kungiqina lo nithi mina ngihlukane na Blackhead cause there is no way yabona indoda fanele indoda ikulwele so but uma bathi iphume kuwe ivele iphume kubo. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.